Well, we're definitely at the tail end of the spawn here. But that's my favorite time. I'm already going to say it. I'm going to have some trouble here because of the clarity. In order to do this, you really need to have good visibility. So I just caught one that was 4.8. So a little bit bigger fish. Here's another one. I mean, 4.8's like borderline. But there's a lot of fish in here. There's a lot of 3-pounders in here as well. And I just want to see how big this guy is right here. It's hard to tell still. I got a littler one right here. Let's see if this one will bite right away. They're spooky. It comes after it. I switched over to a tube just to try. Sometimes they're a little more aggressive with a tube. Oh wow. He feels heavy, but maybe not. No, he's just a fighter. I'm using that new Legend St. Croix Extreme, the 7.6 medium. And I like it, I really do. Now, so I'm gonna guess this guy here is probably 3.5. But I can look out and I see a bunch of fish. Like, I'm pretty sure there's one right up there. There's definitely one right there. I really need to see. If I can find 5 or 6 of those size fish, I mean, that's 22, right? I ain't gonna get it done, but it's a good start if I have to fish for post-spawn fish after I got a comfortable bag, I guess you could call it. But I need to find them here, and so far, like, let's see how big this one is. There's hundreds of beds, but we need the right size bed. Little guy. Three pounds. Just not the right size fish. Another small one. Well, keep moving here. It's hard to judge these fish for some reason. There's a little bit of breeze on the water. It'd be nice if he was 4.5. There's another one right there. Let me try a drop shot on him. Yeah. Why is this so hard to catch you? I just want to catch you for a second. Take long if you cooperate. And it's a long run from where I'm at. It's a long run from where I'm at right now to go after these size fish. It doesn't make sense. So he's not going to be anything special either. 312. 312. Yeah, that's not a bad fish. I don't think that's a bad fish at all. Yeah. Nah, nothing great. These guys are not going to get the job done. I was just hoping I could find a couple studs right here. You can tell I'm a little frustrated because I was hoping to find some bigger fish here today. And I'm striking out. No, he's not that much bigger. Another 3-pounder. That one looks decent. That's a deeper fish, but I don't know. It's so hard. I'm not gonna guess anymore. He's 4 at least. Okay. Now we got 2 decent ones. I mean, I think 23's. So this nice big old male goes 4.6, 4 pounds 6 ounces. How big is that one? Please be a 4-pounder. You are in the perfect spot where a 4-pounder would live. You're acting like a 4-pounder. Come on, 4-pounder. How big are you, dude? Show yourself so we can move on. It's the frustrating part is it's taken a little while to get these fish to bite today. Nope. 3. This one looks decent here. It's a very tough bed to locate though. It's a 4-pounder. It's definitely a 4. 4 pounds even. Okay. Down there, 4-pounder. Another 4. Another 4, I think. 4 pounds even. Three-pounder. Well, the day's slipping away. I only have 4 over 4 pounds that I found. And like I said earlier in the video, we're not going to have a whole lot of good sight fishing weather, which is going to make this tournament a little interesting for me. I guess I can run to those fish if I feel like that's all I got, but I hope I don't have to. You know, he's not even big, but now he's just made me upset. Now you just made me upset, dude. Now I gotta catch you. Well, I guess we're done here. Well, guys, we tried today. Got a few more days of practice, but we'll keep plugging along. We'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. As always, until next time, we'll see you guys on the water.